Have you ever wondered why you're unhappy, even when life seems to be going well? According to Paramahansa Yogananda, the problem is not always what's happening around you, it's what's happening within you. We keep searching for happiness in money, success, relationships, and recognition. But here's the trap. The moment you get what you want, you start worrying about losing it, and the mind immediately wants something else. Yogananda taught that lasting happiness cannot come from constantly changing external circumstances. It must come from within. When your mind is restless, even success feels empty. But when your mind becomes peaceful, even simple moments can feel deeply fulfilling. So stop asking, what do I need to become happy? Start asking, why am I unable to feel the happiness already within me? Meditate, become still, turn your attention inward. Because according to Yogananda, true happiness is not something you find, it's something you uncover.